Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today, first of all, how you doing? Okay? And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Everybody's welcome. Okay? Thank you. Hit the subscribe and the notification bell if you wanted to do that. It's free to subscribe. So we have a new thing today, diamond painting. It's not new diamond painting, but it's a new item from FG Normal. So let's get started. We got over here, we had these, supposed to be a tray. I don't know how big it is. Let's get this. Alright, came nice pack. Nothing else in here. But this is the tray. They had different pictures to diamond paint. So let's see. Oh, here it is. Let's see what we got. Let me put the bag over here. So we got the standard toolkit. Hold on just a moment. I haven't fixed myself yet. Real good. Okay. So we have the standard toolkit with some baggies. We got the special drills, and we got this. Here it is. Here it is what we're gonna drill. Okay? Got my nose. Here it is. It should have oh my God. I'm trying to test the, oh, here it is. To test the glue on it. Oh yes, it's good. Very good. But here it is what we're gonna drill. This is a beautiful mandala. You got the instructions. Okay? Your first diamond painting, of course. It tells you how to assemble the pieces, and even has a tool. I don't want to take it out of here yet. This is where the PVC, there is a film where you're gonna stuck this in this. This is the plate where after you finish this, you're gonna put it in here. And this goes after you frame this. After you put this together. So this is neat. It's a tray. I don't know the measurements yet. You see, it has the screws, so it's gonna have a screw, and it look like it's a good wood. Look like it's sturdy, and it has the screws and the screwdriver to use it. So let's see how this goes, right? Let's let me put it aside for a moment and let's take a look at the drills. Man, I'm tempted to do this. To do it now. This is from FG Normal. You know, that's a budget-friendly company. They have sales all the time. You can find nice things over there, and you can find cross stitches. Okay, we got some separate baggings. We're gonna look at those. Let's look at these ones. Okay. So it's a budget friendly. I like this company. I love this company very much. I like the cross stitch. I like the diamond paintings. I have a whole bunch of resin molds from them. Okay, let me get this closer. No, it won't. Maybe because of this. Look at how nice these ones. It has like a flower. These are faceted teardrops. Okay. They're beautiful. Faceted means that the light is gonna shine through. This one is shiny, although it's not a crystal one. These are faceted marquees in green, emerald green. These are beautiful. Okay. These are marquees faceted, but a smaller one, and these are purple. Okay. These are faceted rounds in blue. And we got this beautiful yellow faceted single one. It looks like it goes in one place. Now let's take a look at those look like they're special drills because these ones are kind of rhinestones. Okay, so here they are. Very beautiful rhinestone. No scratching on the back. The colors are shiny. The blue ones, light blue. It seems like there is a little bit of dust in the package. These are black and regular drills, I guess. Let me check. Sorry, I'm checking this. Yeah, these are regular drills. These are like the rhinestone, but they are in black. So what should I do? Because I'm tempted to do it, even though I got about a gazillion stuff to do. I have a gazillion stuff to do. So this is the only thing that I have for today from FG Normal. I think they cost $24.99 in the website, but you can get discounts. You know, this ain't gonna fit in here. I'll fix it later. But this is very pretty. This is very pretty, and it comes with the instruction, which is good. And they are in English, which is good. Okay, and it seems like it's pretty complete. But you first do this, then you assemble the tray. Here it is, beautiful, right? Let's see how it goes. I'm planning to do this. I would like to do this. And then show you the post review next week. Okay? So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week, wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment below, please. That's very important. Okay? Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.